Ho, ho, ho. Dude. Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. I'm here with Steve from Protective Dad Pranks, and we are on our way to New Image Detail. I am going to pick up the new car today, so I'm finally going to reveal this car. I've had it for over a month, but they are doing a paint correction, Xpel in the front, basically the whole front clip, and we are also doing a ceramic coating. So we're about to go take a look at it and see how it turned out. Hey guys, welcome back. We finally made it to New Image Auto Detailing. I'm about to meet up with Cody. We're about to step inside there and we're gonna see my car as it's been completed with paint correction, Xpel, and a ceramic coating. This is gonna be my first time to see it since it's done. This is gonna be your first time to see it ever. So let's go inside and take a look. Ho, ho, ho. Whew, dude, it is night and day difference. Night and day difference. Now, I mean, I loved it before. Yellow, it was clean, it was beautiful. 1,000 times better. I mean, look at how shiny it is now. Oh my gosh. It's like a whole different car. I mean, it's like the same car, but like brand new as opposed to, you know, having 6,000 miles on it. Oh my goodness. So take a look at the shine. I mean, it is incredible. You can actually swim in the paint. So, I haven't actually done it yet. This is a 2017 Corvette Z06. It does not have the Z07 package, but it is the one thing that I've mentioned over and over and over that I wanted to get. It is a manual. It's a 7-speed manual transmission. And you guys know I've been talking about this over and over and over, driving around with Steve. I wanted a manual just like him. A lot of my other friends from our group also have manuals. Just the way they sound is amazing. The way they drive, it is just a different experience. And so I thought it was time to switch. I've been looking for a while, and yellow was my favorite color. You know, I used to watch 3Speed's videos, and he had the yellow Z06, a manual. The first one was manual, I believe. And so ever since I watched his videos, I had wanted a yellow Z06 myself. I finally accomplished that. Oh, it's so clean, I'm afraid to even get near it. But there it is, 7-speed manual. We will do a more proper review of this car later, an overview, but I wanted everybody to see it. I've been wanting to post pictures of this car for a while, but I haven't because, you know, kind of wanted to do a little bit different of an unveiling. This isn't really the unveiling I had intended, but damn, I know. I love the Jake skull.
Dude, you don't even
Another
feel.
thing.
There's Xpel in it?
No, it's not. It's Xpel. It's cut around it.
But I mean, you don't feel the...
Oh, the transition. Yeah, you don't feel it. Yeah, you almost feel no transition between the two.
What a good job. I mean,
yeah.
That is crazy. That's why I was feeling going, is it have Xpel? Because I saw him cut it in that video, but dude.
Yeah, it turned out great. I mean, look at this thing.
Gosh, man, this is freaking...
Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here with Cody at New Image Auto Detailing, who just finished up my car. It looks unbelievable. And the funny thing is, even if your car is brand new and you just got it from the dealership, most likely you need paint correction. And even if you don't need paint correction, you definitely need Xpel to prevent it from getting any rock chips. Cody, what did you do to my car?
Yeah, so we kind of like the main steps that we go through is we do a thorough wash and decontamination, even on brand new cars. We do 2 forms of decontamination. So we do a chemical to remove any kind of embedded iron particulate, and then we do a physical, we call it a mechanical decontamination, where we take a physical clay bar and we clay the entire car. That's what's going to make the paint feel super smooth.
Gotcha.
Now, even on new cars, obviously we know that they're always scratched up.
Yeah.
People touch them, people are wiping them down, whether it's at the factory, at the dealer, or in between. So we do at least a 1-step paint correction to remove any kind of minor blemishes, swirls, scratches. That's what's going to amp up the gloss. And then on the front of the car, we wrapped it 100% in Xpel's Ultimate Plus film, did the mirrors, and I think we did the gas cap. Other than that, just your main high, your high
impact areas.
High impact areas, even the headlights.
Yeah.
And then Obviously on the rest of the car, we still did the paint correction on the entire car, and then we did a ceramic coating called Seacords UK on top of the film and on top of the paint. Some people think that you'd only put the ceramic coating on the paint, but you want to make sure it's on the film as well, because you want the film to not only be shiny, like this film's going to be shiny on its own, but you want the film to be just as hydrophobic and easy to clean, and all the self-cleaning capabilities and benefits that you get from a coating. You want that on the clear bra as well.
Gotcha.
So the whole car has been paint corrected and coated, and then the main impact areas wrapped with Xpel, and I'd say she's ready to roll.
Right. So what was the amount of time it takes to do a job like this? I know it can a lot has to do with how bad the paint is in general, but
obviously it varies on how much the paint correction, how long the paint correction takes. Some cars are easy to wrap. This one is, this one's not too bad. We've done a few of them already.
I'm surprised. I would figure with all the cuts and turns on a vet that it would be a little more complicated.
That's what makes it complicated.
Yeah.
But I would say probably a solid 3 days.
3 days later.
Right.
Because if you put film on and you try and release the car too soon, that's where you kind of run into issues. You want to let that film settle for at least a day, double check all your edges, heat seal any kind of exposed seams or exposed edges. Like obviously we wrap and tuck everything that we physically can.
Right.
And then wherever there may be an exposed edge, we take a heat gun and a suede towel.
Yeah.
We heat seal all those edges to make sure everything is just properly seated before we move on to the next process.
I will tell you too, I had my other Corvette almost completely done, and I felt like it was a pretty good job, but I'm not even kidding, this is definitely light years better. And I thought he did, the other guy that did it, I thought he did a really good job. I was not unimpressed, but this, I literally can't see it anywhere.
Right.
I mean, you did such an amazing job, so
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
No, thank you very much
Absolutely.
for the opportunity.
Yes, sir. How loud was that?
Dude, wow. This car's badass. Look at that.
I know.
It's so
it looks
mean.
sinister. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope all of you enjoy the new car. I know I do. Anyway, I want to tell everybody thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you enjoy Corvette content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Hey guys, welcome back. We finally made it to new image detail. Alright guys, welcome back. We finally made it to new image detail. We're about to meet up with Cody. We're going to take a look at my new car with the ceramic coating, the paint correction, the Xpel. I'm about to see my car for the first time, and you're about to see my car for the first time.
That's good.
Start over.